there's two courts?
Because this side's me.
Oh.
It's the most entertaining game I've ever seen playing the Wii.
What did you do? Oh my God!
You just lock it in there, Mom.
Yes, I did.
I didn't do anything.
Lucky you didn't go through the TV.
All right. Not that funny.
Mom, did you get that idea?
Yeah.
No, it's so sad. Here, go, girl.
You don't have to whip it so hard.
Well, I hit her. Did I hit you?
Oh.
See, that's what you
Okay.
on opposite sides of the net.
Okay.
Well. Oh, it didn't have a. Oh. We have to get further.
You need to slide this. You don't have to reach for it.
Yeah. Hey, what are they singing for? You won. What? You never served. I know.
She won that match.
Take that camera off.
She's going to hit you right in the nose.
Yeah, well, she's gonna do a backhand and smack you.
How do you do it? If you're having space, get low. Stop it.
I think you guys need to get a Wii.
Hold on. I got it. You want a whole game? We don't have to play this game, you know?
That's mildly creepy.
What are we gonna do now?
That's mildly creepy.
No, don't touch me there. That is my no-no square.
What?
No, don't touch me there.
It's telling me to take a break. Give me a beer. I don't have a short skirt to wear. I don't have a push-up bra to wear.
Go, you're serving again.
You're going to be all sweaty when you go home.
Chelsea, I want to watch Chelsea.
Oh, man, you're just I'm California.
You stay back out of the way.
Oh, man, that's so cute.
It's just a replay. Okay.
Don't step on my feet.
Get the ball!
Oh, how did I hit it? It was behind me before I even swung.
Well, you're supposed to swing it
Shush.
back.
It doesn't know. It doesn't know. Shh. Don't tell it.
I got the point anyway. I don't think it's good.
Yeah, because I hit it out, but I don't know how I. I'm trying to move for it. No!
Yeah! That's like YouTube rated. We're sending this on YouTube. You know.
Well, how do you control it?
Volleyball!
How do you control? Shut up. How do you control? Where? But how do I? Oh, how did I hit that? Did you see I served it? I was.
It's gonna be bouncing all over the place. I can't stop laughing.
Oh, I can't do it like that. I gotta. Okay.
It is so entertaining. This is YouTube rated.
Well, you're serving me?
Yeah.
Oh, hey, who's she? That wasn't even you.
You're both the people.
Both the people? I didn't know that. And they cloned me, and I didn't even know. Oh, I'm not on there.
Oh my God.
doing that on purpose? You think I'm trying to do something like that?
God!
It comes right off.
I just really had you play with Austin. He could use a real good beating.
Dragging hip or something. I need
Jocelyn, if the coach asks why you're covered in bruises tomorrow, tell him your grandma came to visit.
beat me with a touch of project. Oh, wait. No fair. I got the hole in my racket.
Oh, my jaw's starting to hurt from laughing so hard.
We're gonna be after me.
But don't. She almost got you on that one. I'd scoot forward a little bit.
Oh no.
Oh, match point.
I'm in the danger zone. Okay, maybe I'm not. Don't swing back too far. I really got it. Come at me. Looking for
I lost. You have to play again?